Hello, my name is Lao Lin. Today, let's talk about some precautions for the use of this squeezing fork. For this product, it should be said that the cleaning effect of external powder is quite good. It can even be said that it is immediate, but if used improperly, it still carries certain risks. Then let's briefly talk about which things you must pay attention to when using it. The first, don't use it when using it such a direct kill. One such thing is that the cleaning effect is very limited. The second word, this cotton is easily worn off. So it is used correctly. It must be against the teeth on the side. Wipe it up and down. This is a matter of usage. What about the first one? There is no need to be too nervous or too hard during the wiping process. For example, if you wipe too hard, it's easy to wipe like this. What's easy to poke or wipe into the gums, then the cleaning power of this nano sponge is very strong. If you poke your gum, because after all, it has plastic parts with PP inside, it's hard, then there's a possibility of stab wounds. What about the second one? If you don't pay attention to wiping, I often rub my gums. If you wipe it many times, it may cause this damage to the gums. Then there's that this thing cannot wipe the skin. Especially don't wipe it to your lip. So when wiping, you can't wipe the gums. Can't rub the slip either. Then don't use too much force when using it. Just stick to your teeth and use the right force. Appropriate. If you wipe it many times, the effect it should have will definitely be reflected. If you push too hard, you'll get a stab wound, or prick the gums, or rub to this lip of ours. As for these products, well, it's actually quite simple to use. Just say you have no experience when you first use it. Maybe just a little attention. Don't push too hard. It is on the place where there is tartar that you wipe it so gently. Rub it a few more times. Of course, when using this tooth cleaning wipe, you must make it moist and dipped in water. Because of the dry wipe, there will be this sound when dry wiping. And this voice is more sensitive to some people's words. So there must be a time difference. And of course, this water, you can shake it off or you can just squeeze it. Don't let it flow. Flow doesn't feel good either. So when using it, you still need to pay attention to this appropriately. Then this product is actually quite safe. It's a pretty practical little product. And that's it for today.